General-purpose models aren't built for enterprise context, leaving critical knowledge locked away. Meet the Progress Agentic RAG solution, the foundation for enterprise intelligence. Combining retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, with agentic capabilities, it delivers answers that are accurate, contextual, and actionable. Unlike generic AI, Agentic RAG technology taps into your enterprise sources to provide trustworthy, compliant insights. It delivers precise answers using advanced retrieval strategies tailored to your use cases, and works with over 40 leading LLMs, or you can even bring your own model. With built-in RAG evaluation metrics called REMi, every answer is grounded, relevant, and verifiable with citations, backed by enterprise-grade security and real-time retrieval. The Progress Agentic RAG solution empowers teams to make faster, smarter decisions. It's AI that works for you.